Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete Snapchat conversations to remove chat history and clear messages from your account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Swipe right from the camera screen or tap the chat icon in the bottom left corner to access your conversations. Step 3. Find the conversation you want to delete from your chat list. Step 4. Press and hold on the conversation until a menu appears with options. Step 5. Tap More or the gear icon to access conversation settings. Step 6. Select Clear Conversation or Delete Conversation to remove the chat history. Step 7. Confirm the deletion by tapping Clear when prompted to permanently remove the conversation from your chat list. Step 8. Note that clearing a conversation only removes it from your view. Messages may still be visible to the other person until they are deleted or expired. Step 9. To delete individual messages, open the conversation, press and hold on the message, and select Delete to remove it for everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.